Weaver is not just an AI tool. It's a collaboration between a human expert and an AI tool. AI can do the heavy lifting and make the app functional and build all the features in 2 weeks. Hi, I'm Viktor, and I'm the head of AI engineering at profiq. And I'm also the author of Weaver, which is our internal AI development platform that we use to build production-ready apps at prototyping speed. Initially, Lee from Ginger Nash came to us because she already had a vibe-coded prototype of c.h.i.p, of the AI assistant, and she wanted to just audit and make sure that the code is good. So I made the assessment, but I found out that a lot of the features of the prototype were either mocked or just half-baked or just not fully completed. And then also the code base was very fragmented, and there were a lot of different coding styles and so on. And so I decided to build a very quick prototype overnight for Ginger and Nash to try to match the features of the original vibe-coded app, but with the Weaver tech stack. And so it was already, production grade and much nicer code base. Lee agreed with that, and we started building the new version of c.h.i.p using Weaver. The interesting part about working with Weaver is that my role changed more from an engineer to something similar to a product manager, because Weaver already has the technical part, the tech stack decided, and the technical skills needed for the implementation. So a lot of decisions that I had to make were more product decisions. How should the feature behave? How it should fit into the whole app, and so on. So I needed to work with my agent, work with Weaver, and have it ask me questions and make these design decisions about how to make these features simple and fit into the overall idea of the app. And then I simply just broke it down into individual tickets for Weaver, and Weaver started working on it. In the final stages, before the first friends and family release, I actually took back control, because Weaver is not just an AI tool. It's a collaboration between a human expert and an AI tool. And while AI can do the heavy lifting and make the app functional and build all the features in 2 weeks, it's crucial that in the end, somebody actually sees all of the screens, making sure that the user experience is right, that all of the features and kind of the flows in the app feel nice together and work as a one comprehensive app, because that's the only way that we can keep the quality bar that we have for all the other apps that we build in profiq. If you want to see what I was able to build with Weaver over the 2 weeks, you can check out the c.h.i.p app at the link in the description. And you can follow our blog for more deep dives about Weaver itself and the apps that we are building with it.